Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be making some egg fried rice. I'm going to be using someone else's recipe, so I'm going to link that down in the description bar below. This is the best egg fried rice that I've made so far. I hope that the recipe is Uncle Roger approved because I don't want to make a fool of myself on the internet.
What's she doing? What's she doing? Drain the... Oh my god! You're killing me, woman! Hi!
This is literally such an easy, simple recipe to do. So if you are going to follow along and make the recipe, then you'll need some eggs, some rice, some spring onion, some salt and some oil. You just want to start out mixing the eggs together. Then I'm going to cut up my spring onion. You can add as much or little as you like. I think I used about 3 spring onions. For flavours, I only ended up using salt and soy sauce, and that just so happened to be enough. I didn't add anything extra. A lot of people do add some spices and they add some, I think garlic as well, but it's not necessary. The recipe is quite nice on its own, so if you want to add something extra then you can do, but I would just leave it plain. There you have it, my egg fried rice recipe is completed. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know. If you didn't and you prefer my old style videos, also let me know. Bye guys.